McGinnis in behind his own goal, playing it hard around the boards and down the ice. Whalers with Martinelli. He bowled over Robert Gherson and Voroshnin going after Martinelli. And the smaller man, Martinelli, tried to tackle Voroshnin. I don't think Gherson has hurt at all.
Not a bit. Like Martinelli showed some strength there. You know, the question about Martinelli was, you know, with his size and only a buck 55, how strong is he? Look at him. Martinelli's going crazy. He's got some ice by the lights. Literally hog-tied.
Jonathan Rose tackled Mike Martinelli. Last time the Whalers gave up 7 goals, a fateful night, Game 6 of the Western Conference Finals last year in a 7-4 victory for the Rangers. Right here, 7-4 on sound. Martinelli will get an early shower. And the question is, in the final 125, what other shenanigans are going to happen?
You know, honestly, Joe Park has absolutely nobody to blame but himself for this.
I agree.
Nobody. And I bet he knows it. I bet he knows it.
7-4 on sound. The Whalers had tied it at 4 at 4:16 in the third period on Brett Mahan's 6th of the year. But DeVoe with his 12th of the year at 10:24. Jarrett 2nd of the night, 18th of the year at 15:22. And now Voroshnin 2nd of the year at 18:09. The Attack have opened up a 7-4 lead.
Martinelli, all 155 pounds of him, doing a good job against Voroshnin, and then literally picking him up and tossing him down. So,
final in Kitchener, the Sting beat Kitchener 4-3 in overtime. So a bad night all around for Plymouth. So now we're just waiting for Joe Park to sort out the penalties. Whalers back at it tomorrow night with Toronto. Broadcast time 7:15 on 1310 The X. Next Wednesday, Plymouth plays in Sarnia. A week from tonight, Plymouth and Erie. A week from tomorrow in the afternoon on February 7th in Toronto. And then on Sunday the 8th in the afternoon, tilt with the Sioux Greyhounds.
Well, we got to make that trip back up to Owen Sound, correct?
That'll be in March.
In March. Yep, and you one more game there.
First week in March.
Yep. March 5th, a Friday night.
So Sarnia wins it 4-3 in overtime. On sound. Penalty time clock at center ice looks like the proverbial Christmas tree. A lot of lights on the board.
Another 3-on-3 situation here. And only Joe Park could create a 3-on-3 situation twice in a game.
Whalers with McGinnis, Meidel and Vernelli out there going against McDermott, Sutton, and Matt Smith. Yeah. Strictly academic here, though.